One day, a tiny bird became separated from its mother. It was very scared, flying alone in the forest. Suddenly, it spotted a rabbit sitting on the soft grass. The bird was crying. The rabbit asked, "Why are you crying?" The bird replied, "I have lost my mother, and I don't know where to go." The rabbit listened intently and said, "Don't worry, I can help you find your mother. Let's search together." With a glimmer of hope in its eyes, the little bird replied, "Thank you. I would love that." The two unlikely friends set off into the forest, determined to reunite the bird with its mother. "Don't worry, I will help you." The rabbit lifted the bird onto his shoulder and set off into the forest to find its mother. A few hours later, they arrived at a large tree where the bird's mother sat anxiously. The rabbit and the little bird stood before the great tree, gazing upwards at the mother bird, who was filled with hope and relief as she saw her child. The rabbit encouraged the small bird to take flight, guiding it to its mother. As soon as the little bird saw its mother, it began to chirp with joy and flew towards her. The mother bird thanked the rabbit and said, "True friendship is what comes through in difficult times." The little bird was also happy because it had found a new friend. Lesson friendship and helping bring joy and peace in life. The little bird and the rabbit sat together under the shade of a large tree, sharing laughter as they enjoyed their newfound companionship. A beautiful sunset cast a golden glow over the scene, illuminating the bond between them as they prepared for the night.